So you want to blend smoothly between two values. That's Lerp. And to get this node, just right click and type Lerp and you will get this node. Now snapping feels robotic. Lerp is how you get smooth transitions. It's everywhere in polished game. Fade ins, camera blends, smooth UI bars, and it has three values. We don't need these two node for now because we already have a logic planned where it's a loop of 0.25 seconds. We will change it to zero point 0.5 I think because it's too fast in 2.5. Now we are providing it a value of, I mean, a variable which is 0, and it's going to set it continuously because a needs to change so that it can reach its target regularly. Now the alpha value, which is very important again, if it stays at 0, it means it will increase by 0. If it stays zero point 0.5, it will increase by 0.50%. As you can see on the screen, it goes from 50 to 75, which means 50 half is or 25, which added into the value of 50, I mean the value of 0, which is first is 50, then it added 25, which is half of what the target remaining is, which is 25. Then it started to add 12.5. As you can see on the screen, we just reduce it to 0.25 and it is adding it by 25% like this. So it's very simple math, but it actually smooth out the transitions very amazingly well. It's used for fading color in menus, health bar training instead of snapping, blending camera angles. Lerp make things feel alive instead of mechanical, as you can see on the screen. So in this scenario, we were using it by 0.75, so it was adding 75% of what left. So battery is down. So, but I think I made the point clear. Now it's point 0.1. It will add 10% like this. As you can see, first is 10. The second is 10 on that, which is 27 point in total, 27 point something. And you see, it is adding like that. So hope that makes things clear. If there is any question, any query, any confusion regarding this, just comment down below and I will try to respond as fast as I can. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.